Hey guys, welcome back to Frank Vlogs once again. I hope you all like my previous introductory video. I really feel happy for the amount of support each one of you all had given me. It's really a big thank you for all, each and everyone who supported me and who followed me on Instagram, and also the people who posted the stories in their Insta feeds. Yeah, it all makes me or boosts me to do a lot of videos just like this. So thank you all once again. Well, that being said, I request you all to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The IDs are given in the description below, so you can go and click on the link and get in touch with me. Cool. The introduction part and everything is done now. So let's get into the vlog 2 of Frank Vlogs. So, any guesses as to what is the vlog about? I hope you people would have seen in the description already. Yes, guys, we are going to do a vlog on Biking Brotherhood Explorer jacket. Let's get into the video.
Oh, well, yeah, guys. Let me explain to you guys the four basic points as to why we need to have a riding jacket. The same are as follows: protection, comfort, style, and fashion of the bike. It protects you from major accidents, it gives you a sort of comfort when we ride. The style is just amazing. Your sitting posture changes and it looks really good. And yes, as your posture looks much better, it also helps you to seek people's attention. We can put it in that way when it comes to the fashion aspect. Yes, so let's see what have we got in aspects of the features and specifications from Biking Brotherhood Explorer jacket. So let's start with aspect of protection. So yeah, yes, it comes with the latest CE certified level 2 protectors in both elbows and shoulders, and also a lightweight flexi foam in back, which is really sustainable in any kind of accidents. It will surely save us. And when it comes to the airflow, it has a huge 3D mesh panels in front and back for unsurpassed airflow performance. Yes, it actually helped me in a lot of times when I'm going for a long ride during winter seasons, especially those breakfast rides. So these are the ones. The Actually, it's nice. The model is really good. It's really stylish and things like that. So yeah, so when it comes to cold protection, again, the previous clip which I showed, the inner removable thermal lining for cold or winter riding, it actually helps. So when you're going on a ride during the summer season, you can actually remove those thermal liners. It won't make you feel hot. So it'll be peaceful for you to ride to remove these thermal liners. So they have also given us a kind of zip so we can remove it and we can keep it. So yeah, for water protection, we have a outer separate rain jacket. This is also used for night protection. 3M reflective piping in front and back for high visibility while night riding. And there's another one-piece suit connection zip provided to attach the trousers. And also the storage, we have two external pockets and two internal pockets, and these are completely waterproof. It helps us to keep our mobile phones, and it's always good, right, during during rainy seasons. So this is the jacket which I was telling, the 3M reflective piping uh, for high visibility. So this is the jacket. So it also comes with the it's a rain jacket. So when you're going for a night ride, it gives the radium effect. It's really nice. So people who are coming from far in the opposite direction in highways, it helps them to see that a person is coming opposite to us. So it's
Well, guys, yeah, I hope you people like the previous review that I've given about this jacket. So yeah, so that being said, it's actually very comfortable. You can also see that it's very comfortable. The way the posture that I set, it gives a kind of good look when we wear this. So been using this for the past 1 year or something, and got it for 6,480 from Amazon. I can also add the link in the description, so that you people can click on the link and go get one for yourself. So yeah, you people would be wondering why didn't I tell about the pros and cons, because I pretty much feel that this is one of the best jackets at this price level, because it's always good to go. So I'm a kind of person who go into a budget efficient products. So this is cheap and best, and also I like the way so it's washable actually, but I didn't like once or something I've washed it. So yeah, it's nice, and also the weight is the only thing that most of the riding jackets will be having that issue, wherein it might be a little bit of heavy kind of thing. And also, so overall I have given a lot of information in the previous in the video that you saw, the review of this jacket. So hope you all will like it, and also go check out the as I put the Amazon link in the description, you people can go and check out that as well. If you wish to buy one, you can. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much, and I hope you all like the review video. It would have been informative, is what I feel and what I believe. So let's wait for the next vlog. Hope you guys will have a great one, a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button for more content like this. And also, stay home, stay safe. Bye, guys.